In the realm of bespoke motorcycles, where craftsmanship meets innovation, stands the Hero Centennial, a marvel of engineering and design that defies convention. Crafted entirely from carbon fiber and meticulously handcrafted, the Centennial epitomizes exclusivity and sophistication, setting a new standard for luxury motorcycles that few will ever experience firsthand. From its inception, the Hero Centennial was conceived not merely as a mode of transportation, but as a work of art on two wheels. Each component, from the lightweight carbon fiber frame to the intricately detailed bodywork, reflects a dedication to precision and excellence. Every curve and contour is a testament to the artisanal skill and technological mastery that went into its creation. Despite its extraordinary craftsmanship and cutting-edge materials, the Hero Centennial remains an enigma to most enthusiasts. Designed as a limited production masterpiece, it embodies exclusivity in its purest form. For those fortunate enough to behold it, the Centennial offers a glimpse into a world where luxury and performance converge with uncompromising elegance. Underneath its stunning exterior, the Centennial boasts advanced engineering and performance capabilities. Powered by a high-performance engine tuned for exhilarating performance, it promises a dynamic riding experience that matches its striking appearance. The integration of state-of-the-art technology ensures precision handling and optimal control, making every ride a symphony of power and grace. The interior of the Hero Centennial is a testament to comfort and refinement, with bespoke leather upholstery and ergonomic design that cater to the discerning rider. From the moment one settles into the saddle, they are enveloped in a cocoon of luxury, where every detail has been meticulously crafted to enhance comfort and elevate the riding experience. Beyond its technical prowess, the Hero Centennial represents a fusion of tradition and innovation that defines its manufacturer's legacy. Each unit is not just a motorcycle, but a statement of exclusivity and a tribute to the artistry of motorcycle design. With its limited availability and bespoke craftsmanship, owning a Hero Centennial is akin to possessing a piece of automotive history. As enthusiasts marvel at the Hero Centennial from afar, its allure transcends mere ownership. It embodies the essence of aspiration and achievement, a symbol of automotive excellence that resonates with collectors and connoisseurs alike. For those who appreciate the intersection of art and engineering, the Centennial stands as a testament to what is possible when passion and craftsmanship converge. In conclusion, the Hero Centennial represents more than just a motorcycle. It is a rarefied expression of luxury and innovation that captivates the imagination. With its carbon fiber construction, handcrafted detail, and unparalleled exclusivity, it serves as a beacon of aspiration in the world of high-performance motorcycles. While few may ever experience its thrill firsthand, the Centennial leaves an indelible mark on the landscape of automotive design, defining a new standard of excellence for generations to come.